Rocky Road. Okay, I'm stoned as fuck. This is Rocky Road banana split ice cream.
What does the dog do?
Tillamook banana split.
What does the dog do for you though?
Wink. I teach animals how to wink. Possible. Communication. Body language communication. You did it! First try. One. Shake. Seriously, dude. Shake. He's smart.
She just had a...
Did it. Oh, sorry, man. Shake. Come on. Pop. Shake, wait. Pop. Shake. Shake. Got it. Shake. Shake. He does it with this hand. Yep.
She should.
He only does it with that hand. Wink. Let's show him. Come on. Wink. Oh, he did it. He's like, yeah, that's old. I'm tired of that one. See? He's yawning. I'm tired of that trick. Look. Oh, he's been practicing.
I wanted to apologize for earlier today. That wasn't anything personal. I just had a really rough day.
He's like, yeah? Seriously, it's sick. Too bad the camera's not right here looking at him. Discovery Channel status, dude. I'm spitting out Pete. That's so bad. I'm sorry. Dude, he's the best dog, man. He's so smart. What dog knows how to do that? Oh, everyone. I can teach dogs how to do it. You can do it too. Try this at home. Post this on YouTube. T-Streets. Alright, cut the camera on.